Petersburg Mayor Elect Ken Welch announced yesterday he has tested positive for COVID-19, and now his swearing-in ceremony scheduled for Thursday will take place virtually. News Channel 8's Chip Osowski joins us now live from City Hall with what the mayor-elect had to say today. Chip.
Jen, he tells me he's looking at this as sort of like the glass is half full. He is vaccinated and he did get his booster shot. And as far as his symptoms, he says it's pretty much like a cold.
And so I think the science works. This is a good example of that.
Mayor-elect Ken Welch tells 8 on Your Side he believes if he hadn't been vaccinated and gotten his booster, the COVID effects would have been much worse.
This shows, how we live with this disease is to get vaccinated, get the booster, and then when you do come in contact with this, then you will be able to manage it and hopefully not have to be hospitalized. Most of the folks who are having real issues are the folks who are not vaccinated.
The mayor-elect has hosted a number of community forums asking residents to give their input on the direction for the city. He recently made a trip to the White House where he spoke about, of all things, COVID.
What we did agree on is that the best thing to do right now is to get the vaccine and to get the booster. That's the best way to prepare our communities.
And some may believe that if you're vaccinated and boosted, you're immune from getting COVID. Dr. Allison Messina is the chief of the Infectious Diseases Division at All Children's Hospital.
What is the advice that you have for all of us moving forward, being that the numbers continue to keep going up?
Yes, I think that the best thing we can do is if we're going to be in a public space, especially that if we're going to be indoors, to really put those masks back on.
And we did also ask the mayor-elect, with the COVID numbers rising, is he considering a mask mandate, perhaps citywide? He said he's going to consult with the experts and follow the science. Jen?
Mentioned to you what he plans to do after his swearing in? Because normally there would be a celebration, he would have things to do, but does he have a plan?
Right. Well, we know that he is planning on a Zoom interview with reporters after the swearing-in ceremony. Then after that, he's going to be under quarantine, so he's probably going to be working from home.
All right, Chip. Chip Osowski live for us from St. Petersburg tonight. Thank you.